Okay, so this is how you do the transparency in Blender. First, you want to make sure that you are on the right model, and then you want to come over here so you can actually see the material when you go through. If you come to this tab down here, Material Properties, you can create a new um, material, change the color just like you normally would, give it a nice dark blue. And then in order to bake the transparency into the model, you'll just scroll down and under settings, there's a blend mode option, and it is normally set to opaque. If you change that to alpha blend, you can bake in the transparency, and then above that, the alpha is set to 1. You can click and drag, and you can see it changes the transparency, or you can click and type in 0.1, 10% transparent. When you export to GLB, the transparency is now baked into the model itself.